Hi, I'm Deborah Krohn, Chair of Academic Programs at BGC, and this is a rooster in the form of a pitcher and a cockerel that goes together with it, a smaller pitcher. They're made out of Maiolica, a ceramic medium, sometimes called tin glazed earthenware. It's made with a lead glaze with the tin oxide that creates this very white opaque surface that's ideal for brightly colored and detailed designs that can be applied before a second firing. This pitcher and the cockerel were made in the 1980s in a hill town in Tuscany called San Gimignano, where they were dipinta a mano, hand painted, as it says. And the tradition of rooster pitchers goes supposedly back to the Renaissance, where a plot to kill Giuliano de' Medici, brother of Lorenzo the Magnificent, was foiled because of roosters that crowed and woke up the family, alerting them to the presence of the assassins.